There was a lot of excitement in social media.
Yes.
And then suddenly there were calls about, there were, let's say, statements that the bank was going under, was being shut by the central bank. If you have deposits there, go take them out.
Yes.
And this cost a run.
But Governor, today, if you think about it, with the interface with mobile money, the velocity of the run is much quicker than we've ever known in our history, isn't it? Before, because you don't even have to turn up at the bank to ask for your money.
I actually, you've taken the thoughts out of my mind, because I was gonna say that, you think of any runs in the past, and the one that comes to mind is Northern Rock.
Yes, yes.
In your previous
UK buildings.
UK.
Yes.
And yes, so you see a line forming in a bank or outside a bank, kind of thing, a long line. So that's the run, according to everybody. Picture of miserable people trying to withdraw their money.
Yes.
The point is that this run, even as it is like that, old-fashioned run, it actually can only progress at the pace of the tellers.
That's right.
So they'll only process so many people per 10 minutes, and it takes time. So it's a slow process. Not anymore. This is what we called, this is a internet wildfire.
Yes.
So not only was the news or the sentiments,
yes.
which I say unfortunate sentiments, because there was no truth to it, were propagated at the speed of light.
Yes.
You also had the transactions being done at the speed of light, meaning all you needed to do is to go to your mobile device.
Yes.
I mean, you get the WhatsApp message, you switch to a different app, boom, and you move the money.
Yeah.
So that is the run that you really didn't quite see, but it is a run. This is, as a matter of fact, I don't know of any other country that has had this sort of internet run.
It's quite interesting to think about. It would be interesting to know the volumes as well, because I think this is the converse side of the financial inclusion story, isn't it?
Yeah, but I guess the point is, it's more than just the volume. There's more to it. I think, we'll come to it, because there's some lessons from this. And again, we need to talk about what we've taken out of this. But the point I wanted to make is that, yes, this happened, and therefore the bank on April 6th could not meet its obligations.
Yeah.
And not only the obligations to people on its own customers directly, but to other commercial banks.
Yes.
And on that basis, we had no choice but to close, to put it under receipt.